Okay, Micromod Dude here again, and we're about to go and fly my new DJI Mavic Mini. It's a little beast, so we're gonna go ahead and take us up for a spin here and see what happens here. Let me just throw this on my forehead here. Okay, all right, so let's see here. Hopefully everything is correct.
Hello.
All right. Okay, well, that's recording good. And then let me turn on my screen recorder here. Where's it? Oh, there it goes. That was weird. Huh. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on here. So, let's see. Ready to take off? Let's go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. How can I record now? Video. Alright, here we go. Okay, so let's see this. Let's go on this little bad boy here. Okay. Where's it at? You see way over there?
Is it better than the other one?
I don't know. Supposed to have a better gyro action.
It's the same to me.
Does it? It's recording at 2K though, so supposed to have better image quality here. Let's see. Let's take a picture. Photo. Okay. Alright. So let's go this way here. Let's get over these clouds. Over these wires, I mean. Let's take it for a spinning. Let's take it for a spin. Let's go to the other park. See the other park? Right there, look. You see it? Look at that. Let's take a picture of it. What do you say? Take a picture of it. Take a photo.
There's actually a person there?
Yeah. Kid over there playing. Oh, look at that over there, look.
Pool?
Oh, what is that? Look at that.
Oh, it's another park.
Look.
Yeah, I've been there before.
You've been in there?
Yeah.
You never told me.
Whoa.
There it is somewhere. Yeah, this one goes far, dude. Look at it.
Farther than your other one, right?
It's supposed to, yeah. Look at that. Have you ever been this far before on this one? This battery lasts way longer. Look at that. Sport mode. Here we go. Let's go for some turbo action. Ready? Go! Where's it at? Look at it go. See it up there? Ooh, it's hauling, dude. Ooh. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Okay, let's turn it back around. You like that? Look at all of them. Take a little cruise here. See up there? That's going out slow, dude. Hold this one. All right.